In this question, the line with the equation 2y equal x plus 1 intersects with the curve with the equation blah 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 at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B. I told you that if it has intersection and coordinates, so you solve just as you solve simultaneous. Imagine that. The question was instead solve simultaneous equations, and then these two equations were under each other. Then you just didn't read all this. Boom. It's going to be easy, right? I'm going to use or substitute the value of x, as it's way more easier. It's going to be 2y minus 1. So 3y squared plus 7y plus 16 equals to x squared, which is 2y minus 1 all squared minus x. So 3y squared plus 7y plus 16 is equal to 4y squared minus 4y plus 1 minus x. Sorry, I'm supposed to substitute the x. Minus 2y minus 1. Is 2y minus 1, so it's basically negative 2y plus 1. Negative 2y plus 1. So I'm going to move them all to one side. 3y squared plus 7y plus 16, negative 4y squared, positive 4y, negative 1, positive 2y, negative 1 equals 0. So 3y squared and negative 4y squared is going to be negative y squared. Then here, 7y plus 4y plus 2y. So it's going to be 13y, right? Plus 13y. Then 16 minus 1 minus 1. So it's going to be 14. Plus 14 is equal to 0. You can also write it as y squared minus 13y minus 14, like dividing all the equation by negative 1, is equal to 0. It's going to be the same. Anyways. Put your calculator in mode 5-3, then write this quadratic equation with me. 1, negative 13, negative 14. X, first x is x equal negative 1, so it's x plus 1. The end is going to be x negative 1. X squared is x equal to 14. So it's x minus 14 equals to 0. So that's basically it. Right now comes the magic. You need to find 2y, or y. However, y has two values, not only one. So once you're going to use the first value of x, and to find the second value of y, use the second value of x. Use this formula, as it's better, no powers, it's always to the power of 1. Nothing you're supposed to cancel, it's as simplest as possible. So I have 2y is equal to negative 1 plus 1. 2y equals 0. So y equals 0. So I'll write when x equals negative 1, y equal to 0. Write them as negative 1, 0. Then 2y is equal to 14 plus 1. This is what's written above, right? So 2y is equal to 15, so y is equal to 7.5. So I'm going to say when x equals to 14, y equals to 7.5, and write 14, 7.5. -1, 0, 14, 7.5. Total for question 18 is 5 marks.